that one right there. That's a nice one.
Yes, that one right there.
Crazy. 2,400. Thank you. It's my birthday on Monday too. It's my birthday on Monday. Happy birthday. Hey, if that waitress, do me a favor. Grab the waitress so I can buy a round of beers. No bullshit. Grab the waitress, please. I want to buy y'all a round of beers. That's paying it forward. I mean it. I mean it. If y'all want a beer or a drink. Hey, we're in Richmond. We're at Rosie's Gaming Casino. Hey, y'all. These are my slot neighbors. These are my slot neighbors. We're having fun. Let's go. There we go. That's a good one.
That is an awesome one.
I did not think it was going to happen. It was so dramatic, the last one at the top.
For these winners, we have our 9 o'clock winners of our day.